There's nothing quite delicious as a banana bread baking in your kitchen because the aroma is always fantastic. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple, flavorful banana bread recipe, which is going to turn out moist, fluffy, with a rich banana flavor. Start by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to spread some margarine on your pan and line with parchment paper, which is going to help you invert your banana bread once it's ready. For the recipe, you're going to need 4 overripe bananas, and this is how mine are looking. As you can see, they have spots on them. That means that they are very sweet and very ripe. Also, you're going to need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We have salt, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, 2 eggs, margarine, and some raisins for adding in a bite into the cake. That is a sweet bite. So into your bowl, you're going to be adding in your bananas, using a masher or a fork. You're going to mash down your bananas. I'm going to leave a little bit, I'm not going to be fully mashing up my bananas. I'm going to leave a little bit of texture so that once you bite into the bread, you have bites of bananas and raisins. Then next, you're going to be adding in 3/4 cup of sugar, which you can reduce to 1/2 cup. Use a spatula and mix in the sugar together with the bananas. The bananas are sweet, so adding in 3/4 cup of sugar is going to take the sweetness to the next level. So if you don't like sweet cakes, you can reduce the amount of sugar to 1/2 cup so that your cake can be mildly sweet. So next, I'm going to be adding in my margarine. This is a no equipment recipe, so all you need is a spatula. So you're going to mix in the margarine together with the bananas and sugar until fully combined. Crack in 2 eggs. Mix in the eggs together with the rest of the ingredients. Then next, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is going to balance the sweetness of the cake. Mix up once more using your spatula and gradually add in your flour. Make sure to scrape the bottom of your bowl so that all the dry ingredients can get fully combined. And once done, you're going to add in your raisins, sultanas, or any dried fruit into the cake. Fold in the raisins. And once done, you're going to transfer your batter into your prepped up pan ready for baking. And by now, your oven is going to be already preheated. So it's just a matter of popping the butter in the oven and making a delicious banana bread. Once done, I'm going to tap on my countertop. This is to remove any air pockets in the butter. Then I'm going to be baking my cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. And to check if the cake is ready, you're going to insert a skewer in the middle of the cake. Once the skewer comes out with no wet butter, your cake is ready. Sometimes when baking, we get super curious because we want to check if your cake is perfectly baking. So here's a quick tip for you. Don't open the oven because the hot air is going to escape, then the cake is going to sink in the middle, so it's not going to be perfectly baked. Wow, my banana bread is ready, and while it was baking, the aroma in the kitchen was just so good. You know that aroma that gets all the neighbors asking what you're baking? Yeah, that was my banana bread. You're going to be resting the cake for 10 minutes in the tin, invert and cool completely. This is how my banana bread has turned out, and as you can see, the bread has turned out with a very nice, gorgeous golden brown color. We have raisins and bananas popping in the cake. It's perfectly baked, very delicious over a cup of tea or coffee or even some juice, and it's going to be a crowd pleaser once you try out the recipe. Bye.